New Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza will get redesigned front and rear sections. Minus 5,000 units have already been manufactured at the Maruti Suzuki factory. It could come with an all-new 1.5-liter E15 axle motor, mated to a 6-speed MT. Since its launch in India in March 2016, the Vitara Brezza has been the best-selling compact SUV in its segment in the domestic market, averaging more than 12,000 units every month for the past 6 months. The SUV has been doing phenomenal sales despite not receiving any substantial updates. The car has been in the market for the past 3 years, and the only changes it received as a part of the MY2018 update was a new orange paint scheme and the addition of an AMT. However, this is set to change, as we have learned through our sources that the new 2019 Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza facelift is ready for its launch in India over the next few months. The source reveals that substantial changes have been made to the front and rear fascia of the new Vitara Brezza. The updates include a redesigned front bumper with a new grille, reprofiled rear bumper and revised internals of the taillights. Other major changes will be the inclusion of LED projector headlamps and an air intake scoop on the hood. The interiors are likely to get new fabric upholstery and an updated SmartPlay Studio infotainment system. The source further claims that 5,000 units of the new Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza have already been manufactured at the company's plant. While we aren't sure about the engine details on the updated model, the new Vitara Brezza facelift could debut with the in-house developed 1.5-liter E15 DDIS 225-cell motor. It will be mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. The current model employs a Fiat-sourced 1.3-liter multi-jet DDIS 200-cell engine that is available across a 5-speed manual as well as an AM.